Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing a Farmers to Families food box. These are distributed in neighborhoods across America in response to the COVID-19 epidemic. I'll give a link to the program down below. But for right now, let's get into the box. Ignore the big burn on my knuckle. I had an incident getting a big dish out of the oven the other day. So just peeking inside, you can see we have a large variety of food in here. And the first item I'll be taking out today is a large carton of whole eggs pasteurized. These are great for omelets, or you could use them in recipes. Next we have a whole milk yogurt. A large sour cream. This is great for recipes, and I'll also be using it to make some veggie dip. A nice big bag of oranges. And a bag of baby carrots. I'll be using those with the veggie dip. A bag of onions. I was so excited to see these because I only had one onion left. Some smoked sausage. And some hot dogs as well. A nice big bag of Yukon Gold potatoes. And a 3-pound bag of apples. I did throw the box on the ground before realizing there was one more thing in it. That was a little brick of jalapeno cheddar cheese. So I'll just spread everything out here so you can see everything all in one frame. There is a large variety, some dairies, some meat, and some produce. And a lot of it I have recipes for. For instance, the oranges and the yogurt I can use in some orange muffins, which I'll link down below. And apples I use in a variety of things, from apple butter, apple muffins, apple crisp. I'll link a couple recipes for those down below too. You'll also see a gallon of milk that came with the box. And as I mentioned before, here's the cheese. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope to see you back with me again soon. Please remember to subscribe to see more videos like this.